Hello art lovers, welcome to a new era of creativity. Have you heard about the new artist in town? It's not your typical painter or sculptor, it's not human, it's a computer program. Yes, you heard that right. Generative AI is making waves, and it's wilder than a chimpanzee with a paintbrush. Imagine the creativity unleashed. This isn't your grandma's paint by numbers. This is art with algorithms, creativity powered by code. It's a whole new ballgame. Imagine typing anything. A cat eating pizza on the moon, a robot painting the Mona Lisa into a computer, and bam! An image pops up. It's like magic, but it's real. That's generative AI art in a nutshell. It's a fascinating blend of technology and creativity. It's like having a million artists living inside your computer, each with a unique style and vision. The possibilities are endless, but instead of paintbrushes, they use lines of code to create their masterpieces. It's a digital revolution in the art world. This new tech is exciting, it's controversial, and it's definitely making us rethink what it means to be an artist. Is it the end of traditional art or just the beginning of something new? So buckle up, art fans, because we're diving headfirst into the wacky world of AI art. Get ready to explore, question, and be amazed by what technology can create. You might be wondering, how does a computer go from words to, well, art? Think of it like this. Imagine feeding an AI millions of images, from Van Gogh's sunflowers to your nephew's finger paintings. The AI studies these images, learning what makes a sunflower and what, hopefully, distinguishes a masterpiece from a mess. Then comes the fun part, the text prompt. You type in your wildest idea, no matter how bizarre, and the AI gets to work. It uses what it's learned to generate a brand new image based on your words. It's a bit like magic, but instead of spells, it's algorithms doing the heavy lifting. The result? A unique piece of art born from the collaboration between human imagination and artificial intelligence. Now for the juicy part, the art itself. This is where the magic happens, where creativity meets technology in the most fascinating ways. Generative AI can create some truly stunning pieces. Imagine a world where the boundaries of human imagination are pushed even further by the capabilities of artificial intelligence. Think photorealistic landscapes that transport you to another place, abstract art that speaks to your soul in ways you never thought possible, and portraits so lifelike you could swear they're about to blink. It's like stepping into a new dimension of creativity. But like any artist, especially the newbie ones, AI has its fair share of hilarious mishaps. These moments of imperfection are what make the journey so interesting. Hands with one too many fingers? Check. It's these quirky errors that remind us of the learning curve even for machines. Dogs that look more like melted cheese? You bet. These funny little mistakes are what make AI art so endearing and relatable. It's these imperfections that make AI art so entertaining. They add a layer of unpredictability and charm to the digital creations. They're a reminder that even in the digital age, art is about experimentation, surprise, and sometimes a good laugh. The process of creating art, whether by human or machine, is filled with unexpected twists and turns. These AI art fails aren't just funny, they give us a glimpse into how the AI thinks. It's like getting a sneak peek into the mind of a digital artist, complete with all its quirks and idiosyncrasies. It's like peeking behind the curtain and seeing the gears turning, sometimes with hilarious results. This behind-the-scenes look adds a whole new layer of appreciation for the art and the technology behind it. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or should we say, the algorithm in the gallery. The rise of artificial intelligence in the art world has been nothing short of revolutionary. The arrival of AI art has sparked quite the debate. It's a topic that has divided opinions among artists, critics, and art lovers alike. Some artists welcome it as a new tool for creativity, a way to push boundaries and explore uncharted artistic territories. They see AI as a collaborator, an assistant that can help bring their wildest imaginations to life. Others, however, worry about the implications. They fear that the essence of human creativity might be lost in the process. What happens to the value of human creativity when a computer can churn out thousands of masterpieces in a day? Does it diminish the worth of art created by human hands, or does it elevate the entire field to new heights? Who owns the copyright to AI-generated art, the programmer, the user, or the AI itself? This question of ownership is a legal and ethical conundrum that the art world is still grappling with. These are big questions, and there are no easy answers. The debate is ongoing, and opinions are as varied as the art itself. But one thing's for sure, the art world is changing, and AI is here to stay. The integration of AI into art is not just a passing trend, it's a significant shift that will shape the future of creativity. The question is, how will we adapt and evolve alongside this new creative force? Will we embrace it, resist it, or find a middle ground where human and machine can coexist harmoniously in the realm of art?